The world no longer runs on predictable cycles. Energy shifts. Operations adapt. Complexity grows. The challenge is not information, it's action. What if everything worked as one? With intelligence. To analyze what was, understand what is, and act on what's next, so that the world's critical systems never stop. Energy, always on. Transport, always moving. Production, always optimized. Spaces, always comfortable. This is Univers, the link between the physical world and business outcomes that scale. The platform for physical AI that brings every asset into one connected foundation that understands how operations work across every domain, that keeps getting smarter with every decision it makes. Univers, the platform for physical AI.